Alright, so what I got here is a Ryobi. See if I can find the model number on this one. This is a P200B, I think. Well, what the deal is the chuck is broke on it. It won't unscrew, you know, to loosen a bit. I already cut myself twice because this thing here is broken on it too. But I need to take it off. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta get this open here because there's a screw in there. There we go, finally. Alright, get that open. And this one's got a Phillips screw in the head, like a number 3. And it's got a reverse thread on it, kind of like a Mopar. There we go. Just keep loosening it till you can get it out of there. To. There we go. Yeah. Alright, got that loosened all the way. Now we can hopefully get this screw out the rest of the way. Yeah, the chuck was keeping it from turning, looks like. Anyway, I'm turning this clockwise to unscrew it. I guess it's got reverse threads. There we go. So there's our screw. Like I said, I'm using a number 2, but it looks like it's a number 3 really. Both's got light tied on it. Just FYI, it might be kind of tough to get out. Now this, we got to take and hook up a Allen wrench and just tighten it up in there. There we go, just tighten it down. And now hopefully, break it loose, there we go. So now, we can just sit here and do this. But I'm gonna get back out of there. Alright, so let's take that. So this should unthread. There we go, like that. It's got threads in there. Set that piece of junk over there and see what we got here. Got this off the old Amazon. I'll give you the details on it. Yeah, I'll put a link in the chat for that, or in the description box. Alright, let's get this one out of there. Junk. Yeah, this can go right into the old trash can. Alright, so this one's got threads. I sure hope it screws on there. This one's metal, by the way, it's not plastic. Alright, yeah, it's threading on. Alright. Let's see if we can tighten this back in here, get the Allen wrench back on it. Tighten it down. I think that should be good. Alright, now let's see if we can open it up all the way here and put our screw back in. Alright, so now to tighten it, you got to go left. Counterclockwise. There we go, let's tighten it up. I suppose you'd probably do this for just about any drill, I don't know. I just know that's the way this one does. Alright, that's tight. Right on. Oh yeah. Nice and straight. Beautiful. So that's it, folks. Job done. Like I say, I'll put a link in the description for where I bought the chuck, part number and all that. But yeah, I got my drill back now. So that's all I wanted. I appreciate y'all watching now. Bye now.